The sweetest sounds I'll ever hear are still inside my head. The kindest words I'll ever know are waiting to be said. The most entrancing sight of all is yet for me to see. And the dearest love in all the world is waiting somewhere for me. Is waiting somewhere for me. This isn't me. I'm not this sweet, cute little thing. Let me show you the real me. That's Cinderella. Cinderella is the catchy name that they call me. So sad, Cinderella. She's a loner, she's a loser, that's all me. Go from the gutter, unpleasant peasant, no one a nutter, unwelcome present, cruel multi Malta, every insult that you utter makes me strong. Call me back, Cinderella, naughty girl, got to rose. Your unkindness doesn't charm me. Barking that Cinderella, mark my hair and my clothes, and I hope I have upset you. Well, forget you. Don't point your finger. Don't you judge me when you live in plexiglass houses. You're cruel and you're foolish with your trophy wives and interchangeable spouses. Cold and uncaring, constantly staring, solely consumed with what you are wearing. Gossip and shopping, I'm the opposite of everything you are. I am me, Cinderella, I must style all my own, and I will not change it for you. Wild and free, Cinderella, you can laugh, you can groan, if you think I won't ignore you. I think for you. They call me a wretch, a witch, well choose one. Every fairy tale can use one. Sorry I'm so rude, sorry you're so lame, I won't play your game. Call me back, Cinderella, I take pride when you sneer. I am proud that I'm not like you. Ironclad Cinderella, I take life with no fear, and I'm more than sky high IQ. Yes, I'm that Cinderella, I will not say goodbye. You've been hateful since I've met you. Barking man, Cinderella, flying high in the sky, and I hope